Nissim Ezekiel's philosophy was published in 1965. It is one of Ezekiel's abstract poems. The poem shows his interest in the real world of human beings and the manifestations of human natures and human relationships. He is also concerned with the speculations of human mind. The first stanza suggests that the poet studies and indulges in philosophical speculations not by any preconceived plan but has a natural urge towards philosophy. That is the place he often goes not by planning but by flow. On such moments, he moves away from his physical environment and enters into a realm which is governed by the ways of philosophy. The realm poet mentions is a cold lucidity. Philosophy employs the method of logic and reasoning. The method is cold because it is totally devoid of any emotion. There is no scarcity for ideas. The philosophers are by no means slow in producing new ideas. The mills of God refers to human mind, which is constantly engaged in the process of thinking and producing new ideas. The human mind is metaphorically called the mills of God because human mind is the creation of God. All human thinking is attributed to have divine origin and inspiration. The human mind remains active and quick. The idea here is that philosophers remain ever active in their thinking and giving new ideas. Geology throws light on nature and history of Earth, which in prehistoric times was quintessentially or basically nothing but slime or mud. The geologist spends time in researching the origin of the Earth and the evolutionary process of Earth. The original condition of the Earth was different from what its present shape and nature is. The Earth must have been all mud in the beginning, but now it has become a solid mass. Science tells us that in the evolutionary process, numerous stars came into existence and went out of existence. Thus, science enlightens us about the evolutionary process to which man owes his own emergence in this universe. All the changes the earth undergoes make a strong impact on the human mind. The changes are no significant than a momentary blink of our eyes. Time is personified here. Time is imagined as feeling sad for the quick disappearance of stars and the fleeting nature of convulsions which the earth has experienced. The poet thinks that every change that happens on earth in the course of evolutionary process is a fleeting phenomenon which makes time to feel sorry for the momentary duration of the convulsion. Even after philosophy and science have explained the mysteries of this universe, there are things that remains to be explained. After we have grasped the explanation of the mysteries of the universe, as provided to us by philosophy and science, we are still puzzled by certain aspects of this universe. The darkest myths or secrets still wander through the pain. We struggle to find a clue to the remaining secrets of the universe. The poet is not ready to accept the explanations offered by philosophy and science as full and final. Philosophy, science, or other disciplines cannot explain the secrets of the universe. Certain secrets of the universe can only be explained by poetry. The last stanza reminds us of Wordsworth. Nissim Ezekiel says, there is a language which is the language of the common people. It is a language of the senses. It is different from the technical language of logic, philosophy, and science. This language of the sense or of the emotions offers us the explanations of the mysteries of the world of human nature. Common things like human relationships cannot be explained by unemotional methods which philosophy and science adopt. These methods are cold and inadequate to solve the mysteries of the universe, specifically that of human nature. It is poetry which employs the emotional method of dealing with human life and therefore prove most useful to us in our efforts to understand the mysteries pertaining to human life and human nature.